Where's mommy? Mommy, where's mommy? Oh, may momo ka pa. Mommy? How about this one? Sun? Light, traffic light. Where is Joander? Ha? Shoes, baby, shoes. Tulo laway mo. Where is shoes? No, not that one. Car yan, broom broom. Car, broom broom. Sun. This is sun. Sun? Shoes. Car. Where is the car? Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom vroom.
Tawa ka lang.
Vroom vroom. Car. Shoes. Shoes. Bag. Car. Sun. Where's Joem? Oh. Dahan-dahan. Ayos na. Ay. Oh, yan. Chair. Baliktad. Ayaw mo nun? Saan magklap na? Uy, ayaw mo lang. Nanan, is that you? Yes. Yes. Say yes, Nanan. Yes, that's me. You am. Huh? What? Sweat, may pupo. Saan ang pupo na talaga? Hawak mo na. Wala. Sweat ka din ha. Hindi mo na. Yes, mommy. Yes, my good boy. Color is this? White, black, white color, black, white. Black, color, black, white. Mouse. Black, white, and this one is what? Outside. Where's the door? Door. Door. That is a door. You want to open and go outside? Oh, open. Open the door, ha? Let's go outside. Okay? You know how to open? Diba? You know how to open the door. Daddy. Daddy, where is Daddy? Daddy. Wala sa phone. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Where is Kuya Ever? Where is Kuya Ever? Ah, yan. Sleep. Oh, wag ingay kay sleep si Kuya. Where is the TV? 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 Ah, iyon. Okay, nagkalat man ang ano mo. Oops! Lasing you. Where is the fan? Yes, nandyan yung TV. Yung fan? Where is the fan? Ah, ito. Fan. Okay. Where is your crib? Crib. Crib? Aba, kalimutan mo na? Saan ka nakatingin? Ano hanap mo? No, wag mo i-shoot. Say hi. Very good, Kuya. Look. Kuya, Ever. Joem, oh, Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Joem. Allah, busy. Busy kayong dalawa? Busy. Paano magalit si Joem, Lola? Oh. Ano? Daddy, oh, Joem, oh. Galit-galitan, oh. Ba't nandyan kayong dalawa? Inilagyan ko nga dito ng foam at rubber. Gusto nyo talaga dyan sa tiles? Tawa, Kuya. No more? Kakain na ho ng kanin. Tama na ho ang tinapay. Come here. Joem. 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 Ala, busy. Kuya Gerard. Kuya. Ay, busy kayong dalawa? Bye. Alis, mami. Ali Joem, kami Kuya Love Love. Love Love. Kisari. Ang Joem, busy ka? Busy man si Joem, oy. Say hi to Daddy. Oops. Hingi. Hiram daw si Kuya. Yours yan, no? Hiram, Kuya, sabihin mo borrow. Sabihin mo mine. Borrow? Joem, bakit nag-cry si Kuya? Away mo? Ha? Saan ka? Kuya, sino away? Sino away kay Kuya? Joem. Joem, sino away? Ikaw? Ha? Inaway mo? Inaway mo si Kuya? Kamo. Ako lang, bisa ko kailangan pa bisa konsa. Give kay Kuya. Kawawa naman, Kuya. Sinubuan mo pala si Kuya. Ayaw. Diba, lantawang isi, oh. Lipay kayo siya. Purag wala gipagaw. Pansure niya. Wala, gibidyohan na ako. Nga, munana siya. Wala. Gibidyo ra. Oh, say hi to Daddy. Sabi mo, let's eat, Daddy. Yay! Subuan mo si Kuya. Give kay Kuya, give. Give, Kuya. Oh, si Kuya yan. Oh, love, love, Kuya. Bakit mo pinahiram si Kuya ng toys? Dahil may kinakain ka. Eh, give mo Kuya niyan. Sige na. Give Kuya. Oy, dahan-dahan lang ha. Mabulunan. Hala. Ang bilis akyat. Tapos, sige. May bata talaga malaglag dyan, bebe. Paano? Pagkalukuhan. Kanta. Sing mo na, sing. Sing mo na. Ay. Do, re, daddy ka paturo. Sabihin mo. Your teeth. Show me your teeth. Ah! Tang man niya. Ang teeth na malaki. Tang. Ang head. Head. Where's your head? Huwag mo namang pukpukin. Head mo yan? Oh. Where's daddy? Huwag yung hair. Daddy? Ayun. Ayun, nasa messenger. Oh, wait. Oh, ano yan? Oh. What's that? Light? Okay. Your nose? Yan. Huwag mong tanggalan ng light. Doon. Diyan ka turo your nose. Oh, yan. Nose. Oh, tapos ipapaturo mami saan ang teeth. Nasubo mo. What? Nose? Don't touch. Nose. Okay. Alam mo ng head, teeth. Your ears. Wala na. Opo, ears. No, not that one. This one, oh. Ears. Ears. Na! Kuya yan si kuya. Bakit natakot?